Welcome to WiserNotify. Thanks for joining us. This video is quick overview of WiserNotify dashboard. At the end of video, you will completely know how to use it. Once you log in into the dashboard, you will ask to install the pixel code. There are many ways to install this pixel code on your website. You can copy and paste this pixel code where you want to display the notification and capture the data. You can also load it through Google Tag Manager. WiserNotify works with all website builders and landing page tools like Shopify, Magento, WooCommerce, and ClickFunnels, and other similar tools. For that, we have built native plugins that make your work easy. It automates the work like install the pixel, fetch all data, and start sending the real-time data to the WiserNotify. Once verification is done, you can start adding social proof notification in minutes without complicated settings from the dashboard. Here you can see it shows many types of social proof notification, like live visitors that enables you to show real-time traffic on your site. Using recent conversion and purchase notification, you can show live feed of real people who have recently taken action on website, like subscribed or purchased. Using review notification, you can show real-time reviews and recommendation directly from Facebook and Google. If you have YouTube channel and want to show number of subscriber views, likes, or comment, you can use subscriber count and video views notification. Even you can show conversion or purchase count within specific duration, like 100 buyers purchased the item in last 200 days. Now let's take one example and add conversion type social proof notification. It is available under the recent tab. Click on conversion type and you see the option to select the design templates. And select any template, add name, enter website URL, then click on customize and create button. It leads you to design tab. Here you can see three sections. One is select design options where you can see template designs. Second is live preview, which show you how your notification will look when it appears into desktop and mobile. Third is configuration. It enables you to customize the notification using text editors, language translator. Even you can change icon position, animation, shape, border, background, and shadow. Also, you have options to embed into your HTML. If you want to make it interactive, use click options and set your desired CTS on notification and make it clickable. If you want to set your brand name on notification, you can use verify label option. You can apply rules like display only the last 15 days data, skip already seen data under data setting. You can also set initial delay time, display notification time, and set delay between notifications. Once customization is done, click on save button. Now next, let's apply display setting. Through this tab, you can decide where to display your notification to the right audience. You can add multiple websites and apply display page rules, like show the notification on all pages or specific pages by adding URL conditions like exact URL or containing keyword tags. Even you can use more specific targeting options like visitor types, cookies, UTM source, or refer sites. This is all about where you want to show and whom you want to show. Now next is which data you want to show. The data source tab enables you to provide dynamic data into the notification. Pixel code has inbuilt functions that listen from submission events. All you need to do is tell the pixel from which URL you want to capture the data by selecting options like all pages or specific pages. Even you can use 150 plus integration options that includes website builders, email marketing tool, communication tool, CRM, and many other platforms. You just need to find it and connect it. To help you in the integration, we have written step-by-step guide for you. Once you enable the data source setting, click on finish and make it on. After that, once notification receives the data events, it starts showing the notification as per your setting. WiserNotify also offers useful widgets. Here you can see it has 20 plus various types of widgets like review feed, subscriber, blinking tab, announcement notification, CTA clicks, and video pop-ups. These all widgets enable you to set your call to action and help you to increase your leads. Now let's go to the dashboard and see overall notification summary. Click here to see notification level report. It shows notification performance data, which entails visitors, impressions, hover, and click count between specific time duration. And to see visitor reports, click here. It analyzes and shows visitor behavior towards the notifications when they visit the page. Apart from analytics and reports, it also has inbuilt A/B testing and reporting module that allows you to optimize your notification design, tags, and timing rules at notification level. Here you clearly see which notification design options performing better, and you should use it for a long run. Now see the goal tracker, and that helps you to measure conversion rates and track your notification performance. This is all about how WiserNotify system works and what it offers. Once you install the pixel code, you can start using social proof and widgets with 50 plus design options, display settings, and 150 plus integration. Thank you.